Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about comparison of typewriter. First we discuss about introduction of typewriter. Typewriter is an mechanical or electromechanical machine which we use for typing with the help of a ribbon strikes on the surface of paper. Typically, a single characters is printed on the paper with the help of typewriter by striking it on the surface of paper, which left its impression on the paper. About typewriter. Typewriter developed during 19th century, and the term typewriter was used by a person who used a typing machine. The first commercial use of typewriter is introduced in 1874, was widely used by professional writers in offices and personal person and private homes for business. This is a typewriter and its basic structure of typewriter. Description of typewriter parts. First, we discuss about carriage. Carriage is a box-like structure that contains hold the mechanism of a typewriter machine, which holds paper, type keys, or or the other things. Platen. Platen is a roller typically made from rubber or the other substance similar like rubber. It is positioned horizontally on the surface of typewriter, which helps to hold the paper hold the paper properly and to provide a base for writing. It when the type bars are strike on the surface of paper, the carriage moves from its surface, and it on the changing of paragraph, it return lever rotates the platen by a fixed amount to move the paper. The feed rollers position the paper against the platen. Next, type bars and type baskets. The type bars are a thin movable matter arms that are used to imprint marks on the paper. Typically, typically have two characters which are modeled into the metal in reverse. The type bars together with the mechanism that links them to keys are called the type basket. Key tops. Key tops are covering of key bars, basically made from plastic or square shaped placed on typewriter keys. It may be other shaped also. More comfortable. It is useful to write comfortably on the paper. Ribbon and ribbon spools. Ribbon is a thin strip of fiber or polymer which is covered by a colored pigment, basically of black colored ink or other colors are all are possible, leaving the print of a character behind the paper. Principle. The principle which is used to compare the typewriter is basically its individuality. No two typewriters have same identical typescript when they are manufactured in the same company, same factory, even one after another. It shows law of individuality. Every machine has its own individual characters. The wear and tear marks, excessive use and abuse increase the variation in the typewriter. Entirely, the machine shows slight but persistent divergences which can be seen upon close examination. How can we identify a typewriter? First, we can compare its space between. It is a defect in spacing between two letters, words, characters, paragraph, and sentences of a typescript. Next, comma. Comma. Instead of characteristics, comma, some typewriter has exhibit shows a slanted short line or some shows cylindrical shaped comma. Mechanical defect. It is the defect in typeface and ribbon. That is the mechanism of typewriter. Blur defect. Blur defect. A defect caused due to the blur defect of typefaces or ribbon if the ribbon is not properly held on the platen. Alignment. Alignment is a badly warm. When machine is badly warm, the alignment characters suffers. for the exact position of imprint is the net result of number of variables. Fading. Fading is caused due to the unless record ribbon containing free carbon or the ribbon don't place on the platen properly. These are the example of some typewriter defects. First we show alignment, fading, blur defect and mechanical defect. Forensic significance. Forensic significance helps forensic analysis of typewriter enables the expert to find whether the typescript or typed document is from belongs to a same typewriter or not. It also used to identify model of typewriter used to write a document. The success is given case vary with the type of machine with the examiner is faced. Applied forensics utilizes an extensive computer database to assist in determining the make and model of the suspect typewriter. The conclusion of comparison of typewriter is the characteristics of every and each and every typewriter was unique. This study have a forensic significance to investigate the crimes in which the typescript typewritten document are used, which include anonymous letters, extortion letters as an evidence, which is used as an evidence to individualize the typewriter machine on which the same is typed. Thank you.